Look how beautiful my fall decor turned out. Hi, I'm Daisy. Today, I'm showing you how easy it was to create this layer fall sign using my laser machine. And the best part, I didn't have to paint anything. Creatorally sent me these gorgeous pre-painted wood planks, all ready to cut and assemble. Such a total time saver. This one is a quick project, perfect for any season or even for creating your own logo. So come along and see how I cut these wood layers with my WeCreat Vista. And I will leave the links below so you can try it too. Also, I'm giving this beautiful fall design for free to my audience. You can download it from my blog. Link is in the description below. Don't miss it. All right, let's get started. Here I have the painted wood planks from Creatorally, which I absolutely love. They have a great variety of colors available in both glossy and matte finish, so you can choose what works best for your project. The quality is amazing, and I just love how these painted woods make every project look so polished. I will leave the link down below in the video description. Now I am placing the first plank I'll be cutting. I will be starting with the base layer in black. Since the wood is black, I will place 2 pages of craft paper on the sides to help me align and center the design while working on the software. For these cuts, I will be using my WeCreat Vista laser machine, which I will link in the video description down below. I have refreshed the screen and now I can see the image showing where the material is placed. I'm going to import the design I'll be cutting. I click on the WeCreat logo, select Import, open the folder where I saved the design and insert it. Then I center it on the canvas, aligning it with the photo of the material. These wood planks are 12 by 12 inches. If the photo doesn't show up, just click refresh on the upper right corner. That helps you align your design more easily. This design has several layers, so I am separating them and keeping only the black layer, which I will cut first. Since the material is also black, it's a little hard to see, but we will line it up carefully. The measurements are in millimeters. If you wish to change it, go to Setting in the top right corner and switch them to inches. For a better precision, I will be switching them to inches. When you select the design, a green outline appears, which helps identify and center the layer more easily. Now on the right-hand panel, where it says Material, I am selecting walnut wood, 3 millimeters. There's a wide variety of materials to choose from, but I'm going to select walnut wood because it's a bit denser, giving a cleaner cut on painted wood. Go back to the layer and change it from engraving to cut. The machine automatically loads the right settings. Before starting, you can click Framing to ensure your design fits perfectly. Everything is aligned, so I click Send. Close the lid and press the Start button. The result is clean and precise. That's our first layer done. Now I'm cutting the second layer, also black. This time is matte black, while the first one was glossy. turned out just as clean and pretty. Next is the third layer, the pink wood plank, where I will cut the pumpkin. I love how crisp the cuts come out. No shadows, no burns, super clean edges. Finally, the fourth layer in gold. This one took a little longer, but look how beautiful and neat it turned out. No burn marks at all. And that's it. All the layers are cut and ready. Now it's time to assemble our fall sign. To assemble all of these layers and create our sign, I am using glue from Saya Fixed. This one is high viscosity or thick viscosity, and I will leave the link below in the video description. It's one of my favorites for layered wood signs and also for acrylic projects. For the base, I am using a 12 by 12 inch basswood square, and that's where I'll place the first layer, which is the black one. You don't need too much glue. This adhesive is super strong and dries super fast. Once the base layer is in place, I will keep adding the rest one by one. Next, I'm gluing the gold flower. I always try not to add too much glue because when you press the layer down, any extra can squeeze out and make the sign look messy, and we don't want that. Now I am adding the pink layer, which forms the pumpkin. And look how beautiful it looks with that black border. I cut the border using Creatorally's pre-painted black wood with glossy finish. Now I am placing the text border, also cut from Creatorally's painted wood, but this one is matte, not shiny. I did it this way so you can see both finish options they offer, glossy and matte. The pink one I use is glossy too, though they also have it in matte. The gold has a soft semi-matte shine that looks gorgeous. Now I am adding the gold text, and look how pretty it turned out. You could leave it like this or add a few extra decorations if you like. All of this was made using Creatorally's pre-painted wood. And I will link everything down below in the video description. I decided to add a border around the sign, and here it is, all finished. Isn't it beautiful? I'm going to hang it by my front door. It's the perfect size. The centerpiece is 12 by 12 inches, and with the pink and black border, it measures 13 by 13 inches in total. And that's it. Our beautiful fall sign is all finished. You'll find all the links down below. The design file, Creatorally's painted wood, and of course, my WeCreat Vista laser machine. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next creative project. Thank you so much for watching and for visiting my channel. See you in the next one.